What is up everyone? Today is the second time we're going drifting with the Chaser and not much has changed since the last episode. The car still has 200 horsepower. So today our goal is to get some more experience and make our drifting a little smoother than the first time. So yeah, let's see how that goes. We blew up our first set of tires. Damn, bro. Okay, first few laps are in. I did about 10 laps today. We're actually driving the track backwards because it's the Pro Finish League layout. So the track is actually going uphill, which is not ideal for our car, but after a few laps we figured out what we can do. But yeah, it's not as fun. The car works amazing. Again, no problem. AC on, it's blowing cool air while we're drifting. Yeah, we're having so much fun. My friend is driving the car. Yeah, let's film something. Yeah, as you can see, the uphill is very stiff for the car, so we cannot drift the whole track. Oh my god, that was so nice. The whole corner. Se on vauhtia liikaa. Ei olekaan. Häh? Liikaa taas.
Sillä oli pikku jarrut.
Sammuu auto.
Hah?
Sammuu
Oikeesti?
Joo.
Tettu.
En tiedä. Pitääkö mennä varikolle vai koitetaanko vielä?
Koita ajaa hetken aikaa.
Mietin, että olikohan mulla... Ootan nyt. En mä kyllä... Olen antanut niinku kässäri.
Niin ei se...
Ei.
Aika jännä.
Joo.
Mä en ainakaan kuullut mitään autoa, että...
Mielenkiintoista.
Mielenkiintoista. Voiko ne polvella avaimen?
Se voi olla. Laitetaanko tää koskee vai pitääkö?
Ei se väliä, voidaan vasta tuolla. Mikä muistit tuolla? Okay, I think that's it for today. We need to clean up our pit. The track is amazing. I like this part of the track. I'm having a massive headache. I think this was just enough for us. Something like 3 hours of driving and 3 sets of bigger tires. Yeah, a good day. so weird that I'm driving that car to work tomorrow. I know. I guess that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you have a great day. And yeah, subscribe for more.